What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video I'm gonna just demonstrate how the steps looking after I fix them, and after this I'm going to test all functions. Then in the next video we'll run it on the layout. So here you go. If you want to watch, this is for members only video, how I did it, there is a link in the description, and I'll put it also on the comment line, or the message will pop up right there in the top right corner. See, that looks good, and it was tough to fix it. So I found the second one on the bottom of the box, and you saw the first one just sitting in that insert. So all good so far. Let's put it up to the test track. Side camera here. We'll go through the manual, because at this point you better read the manual. All right, so if you're buying the engine DCC ready without sound, the pantographs, if you put sound decoder or just regular decoder, won't work with control, so it won't be mechanism to operate them. Okay, so we already cover missing or damaged parts, so I took a chance and fixed them myself. All right, and we are going to DCC mode right now. So I'm using Lens digital system and checking the address with it right there. You can hear it's reading 3 default. On the bottom, and I'll show you in a second, on the bottom of the engine, that's my manual, right there, there is like a switch. From the factory it's on, so this position is on. So you can control your pantographs with DCC system. All right, so going back, side camera, move it a little bit forward here. Excellent. And I learned a few things. I'm almost, like at this point, understand how's everything working. So let's start it. We'll go through functions real quick. So I'm pressing, just putting power, and number boards pop up, and you can turn them on and off with the functions F18. We do it right now. And by the way, they are directional. I'm just changing directions. I didn't turn them off. But if we're going to F18, see, there we go. That's, I'm turning them off. Okay. So now with the 0, of course, I'd like to start the engine first. There is F14, 1.4 and F15, 15, sorry, 13 and 1.3 and 14 pantograph up and down for individual pantograph. But now let's start the sound. So I'm turning F0 with the light. The direction of traveling, that's the default, that's forward. So your pantograph in the back will raise Now I'm changing directions, so those pantograph directional when the sound is working. It's a lot of cool sounds. Okay, changing directions. So picking up power, and the rear pantograph depends on travel of direction, direction of travel actually going down. And we'll just we'll do more tests in the next video. I don't think so it has capacitor, but it's 2 trucks, 6 axles, contact is perfect, you know. So now I'm stopping, changing directions. And moving it forward. Okay. It's loud. And it's very nice, very clean, nice sound. So F1 bell. I like the horn. Okay, F3, when the engine is running, its flange is squealing. So here we go. Hear that, right? Now I turning F3 off. Yeah, no sound. Okay. F4 dynamic brakes. Changing directions. F4. There we go. Dimmer F7, so it brings you a little bit the headlight down. I don't think so the number board's affecting, just the headlight, and it's pretty bright. So here we go. F9 is compressor. You hear that, right? Okay. F10 brake set release. That's I need a little bit learn more about it. So 10. Yeah, just brings that engine to stop. Okay, releasing that again. If you guys please drop in the comment line what's the circumstances you using this, just like immediate, my understanding, just immediate, like brake, applying the brake. Okay, F11 is heavy load. Okay, let's see. I'm not seeing really big difference anyway. Maybe it's applying with with maybe different speed. I'll try it on the layout. Okay. F12 switching mode. Let's see if it gives me some effect. Yeah. The number board's dimming and it's slowing down. That's without that feature and with it. Okay, good to know. It's 12. Now, if I'm going to operate, that's important. If I'm trying to operate 13 and 14, 1.3 and 1.4, nothing's happening till it just individually they opening up and down. I'll take it back. Let's see if it's 14 will work. Yeah, and 14 is not working because the sound is on. Okay, so let's turn the sound off. We should put down the pantograph right there. Oh, it's 18, sorry. Maybe on the first. There you go. So that pantograph F14 functions locked when my sound is on. So if I'm going back to 13, see, and 14, I can control them easily. Here we go. I think you guys got an idea. All right. And I need to do close-up details. I'll tell you if I find out in the next video when running, like how they accomplish this beautiful feature. So now F15, handbrake, just working without sound. F16 emergency brake, that's another thing I want to test it. Let's see. Going to the first level. So F16 emergency brake. It's forward. Has good delay. You can adjust, of course, everything. And 16. Oh, oh. 16. There we go. Yeah, emergency brake works even slow speed. Changing directions. A little bit faster. Opa! Sorry about that. I have some electrical locomotives, so on the dream layout it will be catenary. Not everywhere, but in some areas. Okay, let's go. And now F16. Yep, works perfect. 17 is a coupler. interesting sound. 18 it's number boards, we already test them, and 19 is switch flange. Switch flange. When it's moving. Yeah, it's not working when it just sits. Yeah, more. I think it's just bringing more sound when it stops with that F19 switch flange. Let's see. So I'm pressing it and stopping. Okay, makes sense. And at this point, that will be all for today. Let's shut it down. Alrighty, so cool. Guys, thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like support channel, there is Patreon on the left and PayPal me on the right. Also, we have join membership button, so you can watch the videos, different how I did some stuff, and I will bring more of those. Actually, more coming about NC digital system, the small one, power cap. Again, we really appreciate it, guys. We'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.